Okay, we're back. We're gonna go ahead and get this window replaced. This one broke off here, broke off here. Guy put a piece of plexiglass in its place. Now we're just gonna go ahead and cut these out, drill these out, and then I can use rivets to put it back in. And this is the replacement of the rear door window on this 06 Chevy Express. Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog in my garage. Well, what I'm doing today is replacing this rear window on this 06 Express van. We broke it out, and then they just put a piece of plexiglass in the way. So I went down to Wilbur's yesterday, and I found only one Chevy van had tinted glass, and you know, I got it. Thing is, they're put in with rivets, so you're gonna wind up having to drill the rivets out to get it. It's just got not even a hinge. It's not even a hinge. It's just a real thin bracket that flexes, because that's all this does is go out. You just push it out, push it back in, it doesn't do anything. So you got to go to your auto store and get these big rivets. They got to be so they can fit right in, like, you know, so here, and make sure they're long enough so they'll go through this and into your door. All right. And unfortunately, when I got home, I discovered I didn't have a rivet gun that would take these. So I came to my favorite mechanic here, and he had one. And this is what it looks like. You can get them in airtight. This is what you'll probably find at Harbor Freight, but you know, it's industrial. I only need it once. So this is what it'll look like. You get the right tip. So by getting you gotta drill out the rivets, like I said, to line it up. It's gotta come down a little bit, suck down in there, but get it lined up. Those will go right in just like so. And let's see, spread it out. Still got the other rivet head in there. Mess with it and get it to drop out. Get in there. It'll drop in that little cup. Play with it a sec. Okay, so you just move those arms back and forth a couple of times and it'll drop out. Alright, let's get this last three back in there. They cost you about 40 cents a piece, so make sure you get the right length. They have them super long and then they got them super short, so I got the ones in between. Okay, so what it'll look like when you're done is just like this, and when I got a final pull together, and it's gonna pop it.